Hi everyone, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. I hope you must have made good profits on the Nasdaq 100, on the Euro US dollar, on the Pound US dollar, on the Dollar Yen, and especially on the Gold US dollar. So I assume last week must be very well for you, very good for you, and I assume you must have made good profits. Gold gave some nice trading opportunities during the week, and I am sure those of you who are on my strategy must have made nice and decent profit. So congratulations for your good profits that you have made, and that is, like, I should say, well done. If you do the same, you will be making it forever and ever. So last week I have discussed Nasdaq 100 in a separate video, then pound dollar, then euro dollar, dollar yen, and gold. So today gold US dollar is first in the list, and let's jump into the chart, find out where it is going and where we can get our potential trades executed. So without wasting further time, let's jump into the chart. And right here 1959.15, it gave me a close. I needed a close above 1960, but I can assume that this is okay. Like 0.75 cents doesn't make that much great difference, I should say. Plus if we see, because we are almost near the month, and right here if we see the monthly candle, despite of so much big news from the states, monthly candle is still standing at its own level. So the upcoming week there are definitely some fundamental activities for the CAD, for the dollar, which can fluctuate the prices of gold. But for now, technically if I look at it, monthly is clearly standing bullish till now so far. Further it will be decided on Monday when this candle closes and the new open. So this is bullish. Now if we move on to the weekly time frame, on the weekly there is one level. I have a very big level, and that is clearly showing us a higher high on gold US dollar. And let's see, this is 2166 and 2168. even last week I have discussed it, and now I will be switching back to the daily time frame to find out what is going on right here. So on the daily the things are a little bit different. Most of you may remember that my actual strategy was, or my actual plan for the gold was this one. From right here, when the market make this bottom right here, let me do it with a pen tool to all of you so that you can clearly understand. We have got a nice bottom from right here, and my strategy usually suggests me that I have to see from where the fresh bulls and the fresh bears entered into the market. So this is a bullish wave, and that's why I am considering it bullish all the way from right here till there, then sell from there and till 1911. Most of you may remember that 1911 was my zone. A little bit of drawdown till 1892, but that was expected. This is market, and 1911 till now so far this price level is holding the prices of gold US dollar, and it seems to be remain bullish. Last week it was also expected that it is going to hit this resistance level. It did, and most of the traders made profits right here. Even I traded this gold US dollar last week in the live streams as well, and it gave me nice profits. So it is still bullish, and I have to see that okay, this 1980 level during the interest rate decision, there were no more bulls right here, and that's why the market started to drop towards once again towards 1940 zone. Let me do it this way. So 1940 was again tested last week. I also mentioned you that, and I clearly have told you that this is going to be the support. It created a support. We have got a daily candle closed above this support, it bounces off on the lower time frames, and even I traded this one in front of you in the live stream. So last week what I said is that from 1911 till 19 till 2168, this is now another impulsive wave, the bigger one, the weekly one, and I should say this is the investment type of opportunity we have. At least if it doesn't create any sort of higher high, it will remain be even if it want to remain bearish, still we have a very nice profit margin that we can create. Overall this much profit can be generated. So the analysis part, let me show you that since from right here I became bullish for long term, and what I said since 2 months, I'm keep saying it that 2007 is going to be a sell zone for me. But now I have a little bit of changes. When I was looking for a sell from right here, that same sell I have got from 1980 right here, which I was not able to trade this one, because overall I'm looking like I'm clearly bullish on the gold US dollar. So right here, this is the current situation, and for this upcoming week I want to stick to 2009.41. if I need that, okay, we need to take any sell trade right here, I will do update you about that. But for now, just assume this 2009.41 is a support, and for the resistance I would like to switch to the H4 so that I can find any good opportunity if there is any. So on the H4, things are a little bit of different right here. If you see, market was almost stopped near this 1980 zone from the daily, so this will be a breakout point with me. Now there are since on the weekly time frame and since the monthly candle will close bullish, if it close bullish, there is a, if we get a close above this, then there is a good chance market may not respect this 2009.41 level. But now let's have a look at this on the H4, and on the H4 I want to draw your attention to this initial rally and this 61.8% retracement, then it went back up, get another 61.8% retracement, then the continuation, and the continuation seems like this: A, B, C, D. This was the long term. Then we have got a reversal, and things then switched to the H1, and on the H1 it completed this ABCD pattern. So overall a very nice past right here we had, then a bounce off from there, because obviously that was a support. Here we have got a Fibonacci failure, 61.8% retracement, which for some time, if it go back up and if it reverses from here, I would be becoming bullish, right, bearish right here. But since that did not happen and the market re-entered into the zone in the news as well, and before the news it went up there, retested this support zone right here, and on the news a straight drop, because obviously that was positive for the dollar. Now what's next? This 1940 level, I want to discuss it. Even I discussed it in the weekly in the live streams as well. Now let me highlight it, and for this week 1940 zone, I want to keep it as a support for this upcoming week. So a nice range we have of around 431 pips, and according to this range, since we have get a very nice drop from there, there will be two levels with us to short gold US dollar, and one will be obviously the zone of 1967, the other one will be 1971. So right now, since 1980 has been tested, now I want to delete this one, because we don't need this as a resistance, and this is going to be a breakout point with me. Now for the week, what I'm going to look at is, let me give you some trading ideas and setups. If let's say this market continues back up till here. If the market is very fast that day on Monday, I will be looking for some sort of reversal candles from here. If I get that enough, I can take a sell trade from right here. Stop will be most likely right here or here, and the TP will be, the first TP will be near 1940. The second TP will be, let me show you, since we have also seen this market dropping, so there will again be to the bottom side some other levels, and that level will be 1935. So let's adjust it like this whole support zone, and the other one will be 1928. So now it depends upon you. You can add a buy position from 1945.45, you can add it from 1935.11, and you can add from 1929.11. remember, for the sell zone in the upcoming week, 1970, 1967 can give you potential profits. If it closes above this, let me wind up everything and let me give you a clear image. A sell trade from here, if you can get it, that will be super nice. Upon confirmation, remember, no pending limits, because overall gold is bullish to me, and I will be showing you one other impulsive wave. So this can be one trade opportunity with us that will complete near 1935 approximately, and this will look something like this. And in a bullish market, we will get a bearish ABCD pattern, and I have seen it so many of the times it happens. And somewhere right here, then we will be taking a buy trade. So this whole area between 1942 till 1928, let's make it, this is a buy zone with us. Let me clearly tell you, this is a buy zone with us, and a sell zone is 1970, 1967. This whole area will be a sell zone. Now remember, this is going to be a long term, maybe for 1 week or more than that. We can keep it till 15th August, while this trade opportunity will have just a stop loss of this much, and you will need to exit this sell trade near 1942, 1940, or maybe near 1950. I think this much profit, if you get guaranteed, that is more than enough. Now let me head over to your question, in which you have asked me that where is the bullish wave going to go on the H4. On the H4, since we have got a break out from right here, so I am assuming this whole area now is a bullish wave with me, and it is showing me around 2009 and 2017 zone. It may happen because it can trap the people, because most of the traders are getting the Fibonacci, dragging it from there till there, and the 61 comes in there 1928. This will be the master one, and the master one will be very nice for a buy opportunity right here, if we see. So in this video analysis, I clearly gave you good sell opportunity as well, then a buy opportunity as well. Ideally and realistically, what I am personally looking for in the upcoming week is from 1967, 1970, anyone who is stuck there, I think close your deals and just wait for the market. We wait for the market. If it comes down till 1928, we take further buy trades. Very nice one. But if it gives us a close above this and a retest, and the market will be continuing back up. And if I get a chance in the upcoming week, Monday to Friday, I will be live streaming. So I think if you join me, I will be doing all of these things in front of you. My previous week's analysis and forecasts and live streams are there. You always have if you get a chance, you always can check that, and you can understand my technique. So this is gold US dollar. I hope it brings more and more profits to you. Clearly gold US dollar is on a bullish trend, and these levels I have gave you, the sell should be for short term. You don't have to keep the sell for long term, remember. and the buy from right here or the buy upon the close above right here, then several opportunities which I will definitely update you about those. So I hope this analysis must be very helpful for all of you, and I want to keep these things very simple so that at least a beginner one also understand it. Remember, forex is very risky, and if you don't trade properly, you can blow your account. I don't want to freak out, don't you want you to, or I don't want to make you afraid of the market, but this is the fact. So I think if I was taking a screenshot for the thumbnail. So this is it. I think it's enough. If you have any questions, I'm always reachable. I'm showing you my WhatsApp number right here. Anyone who is interested to take my premium courses, if you want to increase your income on periodic basis, I think I'm the best person for you. You can hire me as an analyst as well for your hedge fund. A lot of services I can give you. Do contact me on this WhatsApp number, and together we can change our futures. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.